Enjoy! Welcome to Honey, I'm a Home Chef.
I got a tri-tip right here. It's been marinating for 24 hours. I'm gonna put this bad boy on the smoker and we're gonna make some teriyaki tri-tip rice bowls. I put it in my marinade. I like to use teriyaki, a little bit of soy, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of ginger, and Worcestershire sauce. So that's been sitting. I'm gonna pull it out, pat it dry, throw it on the smoker. We're gonna go 225 until it's time to sear it at about 130 degrees real quick, both sides. Bring it in, and then we'll get started on the rice bowls. They should be delicious, yummy. We'll get a video of Mom taking an hour to get the bite into her mouth, and then we can watch football. Here's how simple and easy this is going to be. We're finishing our sear on the tri-tip outside. It's out there at about 140 degrees. I'm gonna flip it in a few minutes. Here's what we got left. Water boiling. I'm gonna throw some shelled edamame in there. Let that cook through, strain. Rice. Wait, what button?
Yep,
Okay.
that's it.
Maybe it's not that simple. Some cabbage. I'm just gonna chop some cabbage, my garnish. And I'll finish that in a minute because I want to check what's going on out there. Carrots, already shredded from the bag.
Easy.
Can't beat that. For the sauce though, I don't want it so thick, so I have the teriyaki basting glaze and I have teriyaki sauce. What do you think I'm gonna do? I'm gonna throw them in the garbage.
You're gonna mix them. I thought that was a trick question.
Bam. This is getting tough though. Just to
Keep up.
loosen it up a bit. That's it. I might put a little garlic. No, I don't know. Ginger and garlic or no? That's a
I don't
no for
know.
me. Oh, where's my? Oh yeah. We'll make it look pretty with some sesame seeds over the top. So now I just need to go check the meat, and then we'll let it rest for about 15 minutes before we cut it. We'll make some bowls.
Yum.
Tri-tip has been resting for 15 minutes, I'd say. Our edamame is just about, actually it is done. So let's get that strained and bowled up. This is hot, it's burning my hand. Yep, it's really, really hot. I'm going to pretend like it doesn't hurt.
Ooh.
Bam, that was done. Shall we?
We shall.
So the grain is pretty consistent on this one. It turns a little, but I think we cut her about like this. And I apologize, I have to cook it to my wife's liking.
I told you you didn't have to.
That's okay. When we get to the center, it'll have a little bit of pink in it. So I'm trying to go thin for the bowls. You want to come back when we get to the center of it?
Yeah.
So I managed to leave a little pink in the center for me. And Kirsten's got her burn ends over there.
I've already been munching. It's so good.
Yes. The rice is just about done, so we'll come back in a minute when this is chopped up and we'll build some bowls. Let's make bowls. So the rice is already in. I'm gonna do some shredded carrots. A little bit of this purple or red cabbage.
How pretty.
Some edamame. And then we'll do Kirsten cooked steak.
Mmm.
Uh-oh.
Look how pretty that looks.
And then, hang on, gotta rinse my palms.
All right. The seeds.
So a
Oh,
drizzle.
sauce.
And then, I like my seeds like Michael Jackson likes his seeds.
Black and white.
Doesn't matter if they're black or white. There's your mother flipping teriyaki bowl.
Nice, babe.
Okay, I hope everyone has an hour. Kirsten's trying to put the bite together.
Well, I gotta get a little bit of everything. Well, I did my best. So good, honey.
You get the
Haven't.
teriyaki?